Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to embed your Base44 app into a WordPress website. Just follow these steps so you can display your Base44 app directly on your site. First, open your browser and search for WordPress. Make sure you're on the official site, then log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, select the website where you want to embed your Base44 app. Click the three dots, choose Open Site, then click Edit Page at the top. Next, click the WordPress logo on the left side, go to Pages, and select the page where you want to embed your Base44 app. You can also create a new page if needed. For this example, click Edit on the page you want to use. Now, add a new block by clicking the plus icon. Make sure you're on the Block tab. Scroll down to Design, select Columns, and choose one column. Inside the column, click the plus icon again, choose Browse All, search for Custom HTML, and select it. Click Edit HTML, then paste the embed code. Next, you'll need to replace the link in the code with your Base44 app URL. Open a new tab and go to Base44. Then log into the account where your app is saved. Find the app you want to embed and make sure it's already published. Also, ensure your app does not require login access. You can check this by going to the dashboard, then Overview, and confirming that Require Login Access is turned off. Once everything is set, click Publish, copy your app's link, go back to WordPress, and paste the link into the SRC section of the HTML code. Finally, click Update and make sure to save your site. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, your Base44 app will be successfully embedded into your WordPress website anytime.